4. The hot deserts, Saudi Arabia. Hi dudes! Deserts cover more than one-fifth of the Earth's land, and they are found on every continent. A place that receives less than 10 inches of rain per year is considered a desert. The Sahara, also known as the Great Desert, is the largest subtropical hot desert and third largest desert after Antarctica and the Arctic. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a large, arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent that forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is the world's ninth largest subtropical desert. Saudi Arabia's geography is diverse with forests, grasslands, mountain ranges, and deserts. The climate varies from region to region. Temperatures can reach over 110 degrees Fahrenheit in the desert in the summer, while in the winter, temperatures in the north and central parts of the country can drop below freezing. In this lesson, you will learn about a country with desert regions, that is Saudi Arabia. 4. The hot deserts, Saudi Arabia. Deserts are situated between 15° and 30° north and south latitudes on either side of the equator. Most of the deserts are on the western margins of the continents. Look at the deserts marked in the world map given adjacent. Deserts are lands without trees. Deserts are sandy areas. As a result of this, life becomes very difficult for people. It is also known as the land of hot sand. Saudi Arabia is an example of this land of hot sand. These deserts are largely uninhabited and uncultivated. The important characteristic of a desert is scarcity of water. Location: Saudi Arabia is such a place occupying nearly 4/5 of Arabian Peninsula. It is sandwiched between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. The neighboring countries are Yemen, Oman, the UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Iraq, and Jordan. Land: the land in Saudi Arabia is high and mountainous. Hijaz is the mountainous region in the north. Asir is the mountainous region in the south. As the land is sandy with no rivers and lakes, there are only wadis which flow after rains. Rains are extremely limited and water is got only through oases. Climate: the climate in the desert is very hot. Saudi Arabia is an example of such hot climate. The sandy land heats up very quickly during the day. The strong winds create a lot of dust storms. These dust storms create hills and mountains of sand. They are called sand dunes. The temperature of the day varies from that of the night. The temperature at day is high and the nights are cool and pleasant in summer. The days are warm but nights are cool in winter. Pleasant climate is enjoyed by the people of coastal areas. In summers also, The hill stations are very cool. The important hill station of Saudi Arabia is Abha. Vegetation. As the rainfall is scanty and the land is hot, there is only a little scope of vegetation in Saudi Arabia. The only vegetation that grow here are desert date palm, thorny bushes and cactus. Xerophytes are the only plants that are well adapted to the harsh climate. Animal wealth. Animal wealth in this type of plant is very limited. The birds like ostrich and baboon and animals like desert fox, antelope and camels are found in the desert. Camel is the most useful of all the animals in the desert. It is one of the means of transport in such areas. So, it is called as the ship of the desert. The other animals that are found here are sheep, goats, donkeys, and horses. As hunting is done extensively, there is a threat to the existence of animals. People. The wandering people, nomads, are found in Saudi Arabia and are called as Bedouins. These people wander from place to place in search of food. Their living is dependent more on animals. These people used to build houses with mud in the olden days. But today, multi-storied beautiful buildings are coming up in urban areas. Most of the people in Saudi Arabia are staunch followers of Islam. People, beautiful buildings are coming up in urban areas. Most of the people in Saudi Arabia are staunch followers of Islam. The two important sacred cities of Muslims are found in Saudi Arabia. The two cities are Mecca and Medina. Muslims from all over the world visit these two cities. The pilgrimage of the Muslims to Mecca is known as Hajj. Oil resources. Oil resources are found in abundance in Saudi Arabia. The oil resources has made the country very rich. Petrol, called as liquid gold, is largely exported to the other countries of the world. Important cities. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. The other important cities in this country are Jeddah, Makkah, Daman, Medina, Taif, Buraida, and Abha. Recent changes. The life in the desert region showed great development in recent times due to the development of science and technology. The salt water is made fit for drinking due to the process of the desalination. Changes have been brought about in the raising of crops, fruits and vegetables. Science has made the desert to bloom in its fullest extent. Industries. There is also a rapid industrialization in Saudi Arabia. The major industries of Saudi Arabia are petroleum, fertilizers, iron and steel, gas and plastics. Mining industries are also growing. Small industries like food processing are also found here. One finds many Indians working in Saudi Arabia. Let's revise the important points. 1. Deserts are located in the region between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. 2. Saudi Arabia is an example of desert region. It is sandwiched between the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. 3. The temperature at day is very high and nights are cool and pleasant in summer. The days are warm but nights are cool in winter. The important hill station of this region is Arabiaa. 4. Vegetation is also very scanty due to the harsh climate. 5. Makkah and Medina are the places of pilgrimage. It is also rich in its oil resources. Petrol is called as liquid gold.